somewhat inappropriately.
That didn't work well. But
Well,
now
no.
there's no impressions. Oh, my leg.
I still think you should be allowed to do accents, because
Well, we do accents.
we do. Where's
So-
my phone gone?
I don't know. Stand up. What do you need it for? You're doing a podcast. Like Judy Girl. Oh, there it is.
I don't know, I want to look up something.
What?
Something about Big Brother.
Something else to watch?
When UK Big Brother's coming back. Have you seen that Ryland's got a new job?
No.
He's hosting the Strictly Come Dancing sideshow now.
Is he? Mm-hmm. Traitor.
Introduced a little bit of smut to it.
Is he?
I don't know. Alongside Zoe Ball.
Ryland liked my tweet the other day.
Oh yeah, about condoms
Yeah.
in the waiting room.
I thought, what's he liking that for? It's weird.
Tickled him.
I thought, I would have thought he would just have muted me years ago. I would have. All my friends
I haven't
have.
even followed you for a year.
Oh, whatever. Shut up. So then Damien gave nothing away in the Wendys chat, but Damien don't give anything
What
away.
has Damien got to give away?
Damien don't have a personality, God bless him. He is an indigenous person.
Yeah, he's the First Nation person.
He'll be evicted next. And then Cory was talking to Mark, and Mark's like, I don't like the way Cory's talking to me. She's being like a teacher. It's
Well,
like
she is a fucking teacher.
She was trying to... Is she a teacher?
Yeah.
She was trying to teach him,
French
like...
teacher.
She was saying, watch out for this, do that. It's quite good, the advice she was giving him. And then he's like, I'm not here to sit in a classroom and learn things. He doesn't want to learn things in the Big Brother house.
No.
He wants to forget things, if anything. Get stupider. What a dumb fuck. I just thought he don't like a woman telling him how to play his game. Twat. Next we had quite a moving scene, I thought.
Did we?
Very poignant, yeah. It was Dane in Leon's lounge farting. Is Leon okay with that?
Oh, that
What about the
sofa
couch?
will be ruined.
That's not good for them. That's not good product placement. Someone farting all over their couch and then looking disgusted at the smell of their own farts.
Yeah, but you do fart on your own couch, don't you?
Yeah, but do we have to see it?
No.
Does it have to be in the main show?
Those sound effects got to be put in later, haven't they?
It did look
Canned
quite...
farting.
It looked bad. I wouldn't like
Oh,
to have
canned
smelled
farts.
that. It looked bad.
I did some really quite repulsive farts today myself, actually. I could relate to Dane.
Well, don't do them
I was
here.
outside the shop as well, and it was like really stinking up the place, and this old woman walked by, so I turned up her nose up as she walked by.
Oh, that's disgusting.
I had to go for a public poo.
Why are you saying all these things on the podcast? I mean, I'm glad you are.
No, but like normally you save it to get home, don't you? But I couldn't wait
Ooh.
because I was out all day today.
Did you eat something funny?
Just the food at work.
Let's see. That's a good advert for it. Mark said he was just putting Adam up for a storyline. I thought, well, he needs one. Mark said, Adam is out of control and I want to see him on the block. Adam said, there's 4 other options. He's just sour.
He said you shouldn't do that.
Adam said, you put me on the block and you put Dane on slot. And Mark was like, you're asinine. We don't know what
Can we
asinine means.
look
Look it
up
up.
what it means?
Do you know what? I've looked it up a million times and it won't stick in my brain. So I think it's just like,
Is it not one of our words? We don't really go for it, do we?
no, because we don't understand what it means. And I understand most
No,
words.
the
So.
English people not say it.
Oh, maybe it is more of an American thing. I said to Alfie, what's Canada like? He said it's like America.
Asinine,
Cool.
extremely stupid or foolish.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. And then Adam said, you seem bitter.
Don't be bitter.
Glitter.
Bitter.
I put why they were having a marital in the kitchen, and Dane was like, calm down, everyone. Anyone could have walked in and been like, what's got... Mind you, even if they had, they wouldn't have done anything.
Who said what in the kitchen?
They were all having an
Oh,
argument
they were
in
having
the
that
kitchen.
argument, weren't they? Yeah.
And Adam's like, I'm going to make this week really uncomfortable for you. So then Mark was doing his nominations. He's got a 3-stage plan. Do you know what the 3 stages of his plan are?
No.
1, get into an alliance.
Mm-hmm.
2, evict the comp beast.
And 3, take down the alliance from the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah?
3, turn on his alliance.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. I thought you were going to say something funny instead, though.
Oh, sorry.
So he put up Damien and Adam. And Adam did this speech, which was just the most hammy acting I've ever seen. I can't believe you actually bought that speech. It was fucking pathetic.
Because all the speeches are staged. In
I know,
the
but Adam was like, oh, wherefore art thou, Dane? It was just so hokey. And they just
he said he was
bought
coming
it.
for Dane, didn't he?
Yeah.
Mark.
Yeah, It's like, and then Mark was like, "Oh, you're the biggest threat in the house." So Damien was smirking when Adam was doing this pathetic speech. But I still think Adam was genuinely annoyed about being on the block, wasn't he?
Yeah.
Of course he was.
I think so. He did really think that pretty boys should be untouchable.
Mm. You're untouchable. Let's show a break.
Yeah, can we pause this?
Yeah, let's
thing?
pause it. And
We can pause it, but we can't rewind it.
Yeah, so
it?
don't say anything racist like you normally do on the podcast. Right, we're going to have a drink. Oh.
Okay.
Hi, we're back. Okay, we're going to watch episode, I think it's 19, isn't it?
It is.
Here we go.
When Adam Squeeze got sent to jury.
Adam Squeeze, that's sexist.
That's all she was.
Sexist.
My plan worked, and we could do what we came here to do. Make it to Final Four, baby.
I don't think those four are going to be the final four.
No.
The party hit stride.
Is their volume alright?
Competition.
I think so.
And when the others got wasted, Mark threw back a perfect score. And served up his Alliance's 5th HOH win on the
Dang, looks like a little gargoyle.
Mark becomes a man. The game starts.
Mark becomes a man.
Oh my God.
Shame.
With power.
Mad with... Oh.
Oh, what's happened?
Why?
Is that the Chromecast?
Yeah, but I don't know what.
Chrome, Google. If it's not Apple, it's Google. All these tech giants taking
What's
down
Laurie
the
going
podcast.
to do? It's because I don't want to faff about with the laptop. For fuck's sake. Sorry, listeners. Bear with us.
Yes, back. Start from the start again.
Yeah, I know. I just skipped ahead of
Damien
it.
doesn't like to say
Oh,
much.
dear.
That is a massive red flag for me.
Well, it's better than you talking shit all the
Building
time.
On the pretty boys.
What's
Redacted.
redacted mean?
Just means like when you get a document and they cross it out, you can't read it. You
You
know.
got a little taste of power, and now you're just doing whatever you want.
Calm down.
No, you're just doing whatever you want.
The boys decided to stick together and put on a show for the rest of the house. Imagine how you're gonna
Oh.
feel when I take
Look
myself
how
off
fake
of
it
this
is.
block and put all my
Imagine
energy
how you're going to
coming
feel.
after you. The speech that I'm giving to Mark is complete BS.
I could tell by your bad acting.
Damien on the block.
Oh no, I don't want Adam or Damien to go. Tonight!
Adam will save himself.
Yeah.
The spiciest
Oh,
It's sweaty.
God! Oh, Wendy's.
Will the cracks in the Pretty Boy Foundation
Ooh.
collapse
Yes.
into a chasm?
Once we started making pacts between two
Collapse
people,
into a
that's
chasm.
when we started to question each other.
Did we always witness what we just witnessed?
Stop acting like scared little.
Oh!
Oh,
Door. It's time for Big Brother
hold the
Canada.
door.
What is happening in this house?
By the way, listeners, Alfie has now infiltrated the Big Brother Canada house and met Arissa.
Marco.
It wasn't Alfie that told us, it was Arissa.
Yeah, true.
When I take myself off of this block,
Marco.
all my energy will be coming after you.
We've asked Alfie to tell us because he's getting a tour of the house, what's going on, but he's such a little bitch that he won't. Or will he? Alfie, we love
When
you.
I won HOH, my first thought was...
We've just drank half a bottle of wine.
What do you think about Anthony's tracksuit?
I could notice his bulge.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to fool the
Like a-
whole house
something a
into
baby
thinking
would wear,
there's
isn't
no
it?
bad alliance. And also, because of my own pure sadistic pleasure. I like seeing him squirt.
I don't want to think of his sadistic pleasure.
Mark seems to have some big
Ooh.
master plan.
Got the
and there's a
creeps.
storyline. He needs to put me off.
Storyline.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we never said about him saying.
But if that's what he thinks.
What did he
is
say?
best
You're
for
writing.
Pretty
You're playing your
Boy's
part.
game,
We've all got a part to
We
play.
did say that, like Chevelle.
But I wasn't
Play your parts
angry,
and play them well.
I'm to the block, so I
What's
just
Adam
thought
smiling
that
about?
you
About
wanted
his
to
speech
just,
when he's
you
on the
know,
block?
Make it seem
Wow.
and make it look like a
Yeah, great. You're on the block. Well
Yeah,
done,
he's
mate.
happy with that. He's
Brilliant.
got great cheekbones, that boy, though.
Yeah, he's quite a handsome man. He's just not my cup of tea.
He looks, he's of
Cat-like.
of another time. He
He
looks
does.
like from the days of Guy Fawkes.
At the end of the day,
Plots of blood.
What's he doing? I thought he was going out the front door then. He's had enough.
I know, and you're
Yeah, they're giggling about it. Oh, he won't be giggling. He'll be
didn't agree with what you did.
laughing on the other side of his face.
I'm so pretty boys, 1,000%. I know.
He looks big, doesn't he? Mark,
Yeah,
that little
look.
step. Look,
Yeah.
still not as tall
Little
as him.
step ladder.
A little speech prepared
He's
for
well big. Long body.
Today, we're stupid.
I think we're still on.
Every fucking day.
Hollywood.
Hollywood, yeah. The Oscars are coming in for you, Adam.
Full Hollywood, more like. Half baked.
You've been on form tonight.
And we came together to fool the house.
Oh my god, don't! It's disgusting. Oh, we're so clever.
Might just have to ride the pretty boys all the way.
I'll make your mind up.
What's he saying?
I might just have to ride with the pretty boys all the way.
Got no
Like
balls.
you
that's why.
always were, Gunny.
You've got terrible
fucking
hair.
idiot. He's like bog brush hair, isn't it?
Very bristly.
Like Djokovic. Oh, what's Damien doing, rattling
Wants
the
to get in
doors?
Leon's lounge for a little insight. Or we'll get back to that tape player.
Third time on the block, and I am sick of this.
Sick of it. He's had enough. Come on, Damien. Oh, those flip flops. Oh,
They were sitting in the chair.
Damien's on his period.
Take myself off the damn block to force
That
Mark
cardigan.
to show us all what he's made of. I gotta seriously wake up and do something, or
Yeah.
I might be going home.
Good idea. Wake the fuck up. Ooh, Damien's
Fuck
angry.
you.
Yes, we like angry Damien.
Both the boys up, eh? He's a pretty selfish player. Thought I was safe.
Put both the boys up takes a selfish player. Not that. Not really.
That ceremony was a bit ridiculous. Just two guys trying to be alpha males, huge egos going at each other. There's
Going
definitely
at
a little
each
bit too
other.
much testosterone
You were.
in this house. Adam's speech came across as him just wanting to be very intimidating. Where did it come?
What's she looking for? Her game?
Play Big Brother. And being a compete.
Very well done.
Because my biggest strength right now is that I'm being
I think
underestimated.
she's looking for the CGI fireworks.
Truth is, Big Brother, I'm not actually afraid of Adam. He does not intimidate me. I have no problem screaming at him and standing up for
Screaming?
myself.
Why should you scream at
The
Adam?
problem is that once I do that, people will know I'm not a delicate little flower.
Okay. Adam, I don't think Adam's your problem, you fucking idiot.
I'm here to save you.
Ah, I'm here to save
Right.
you. What from?
So tired
Farts.
of being the damsel in distress in this house.
Huh?
I'm joining you.
Oh, that's so nice.
Ah,
Look how long my nails are.
that's good. Good banter they got there. Look how long my nails are. Yeah.
It's not game.
Oh.
If Adam wins, well, Damien's going home.
Festy goes up.
100%. Love Damien.
Yeah.
Yeah, really great guy. But people have to go, right?
People have to go.
Fuck off, Cory.
Say Dane wins the POV. That would be our chance to take out Adam.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because everyone would be behind that.
Anthony ain't gonna do that. Not at this
Say
stage.
Adam does stay on the
course he is.
block, doesn't take himself off, we just send Adam home this week. Because him in the final five is dangerous. Because he
Cory's
can
gonna
still
end up on
win
the
a
block
lot of
now.
stuff.
Yeah.
Cory's my homegirl. She's been completely loyal to me. We've gotten
Anthony's a snake.
She's gotta go.
Yeah. He's got his condom hat on again.
It's getting more and more difficult to
Condom hat.
What is it called? A
I
stocking?
actually don't know what it's called.
Head stocking.
If Adam doesn't
It
go
begins
this
with an
week, we gotta
R.
get rid of him this week. Then I feel like Dane would be on board with that.
Sorry if that's racially insensitive. It's more the colour than the although it doesn't help.
Oh
my God.
Rumbling
Like a
like
bear. Aye. Look, there's no one in that house. It's empty.
Stock imagery.
Tree amigos.
I'm gonna pull out a weapon and take you down. The weakest player saves the strongest.
Okay, Kira's gonna win. Alright.
Adam's flossing.
How was that?
Cory, stupid noises.
Oh.
No, we have to get her out.
Obsessed with Anthony.
Oh, yes.
What?
Yeah, like they're still just hanging out together. Starting to bug me.
Ooh. That's interesting.
So annoying.
Kira getting in with the boys.
Yeah, come on, Kira.
I saw her through the mirror and she was like staring at Anthony.
Ooh.
Like smiling.